I'm holding my shares, buying more shares, and very excited about the potential. It's super bright. We want to put on the sunglasses.
Welcome to Proven and Probable, where we deliver mining insights and bullion sales in the form of physical delivery, offshore depositories, and private blockchain distributed ledger technology.
Joining us for a conversation is the CEO of Riverside Resources, Dr. John Mark Staude, along with Senior Geologist Erika Sweeney. Thank you both for joining us today.
Great to be on the show.
Hi, Morris.
Hello, Erika. We have some very important developments coming from the Los Cuarentas Gold-Silver Project located in Sonora, Mexico, which has an earning option agreement with Hochschild Mining. Dr. Staude, before we go on site, please share the details of the agreement and the potential presents for shareholders.
For Riverside, we're so excited. We follow this prospect generator model, and in this case, working with Hochschild Mining, where for an $8 million US investment into the project that Riverside's operating, Hochschild can earn a 51% interest. And then by spending another $3 million in the ground, they could get to a 75% interest. The best part for us is that we can sell our minority interest for up to $20 million and keep a royalty. Whether we make a joint venture or go forward with them, for us, that type of spending from our market cap provides amazing upside. So we're so excited with Erika and the team and the potential we have at the Cuarentas project.
You know, speaking of the market cap, as a shareholder, I have to applaud you on the business and geological acumen before us. On the Los Cuarentas, Riverside has a number of generative projects throughout Canada and Mexico with a market cap just under 18 million. And the Los Cuarentas just by itself has the potential to almost double that with cash in the treasury along with a royalty. Kudos to you, sir.
Great to have a good team, and it's so important in these COVID times to work as a team. Thank you.
Mrs. Sweeney, you are on site at the Los Cuarentas, which is surrounded by a number of gold-producing mines in the region. To gain a better appreciation for today's press release, can you show us on the map who are some of your neighbors and the successes they've had and where they are in relation to the Los Cuarentas?
Well, on the map, you can see that Los Cuarentas project is located in a radius, within a 50-kilometer radius. You can find different projects such as the Premier's Gold Mine, the Mercedes Mine, that looks very similar to the Los Cuarentas when you look at the grade, up to 34 grams per ton, very good intercept. Then you go to the north, about 30 kilometers there, you're going to have Santa Gertrudis, that is owned by Agnico Eagle. And about 40 kilometers to the south, you're going to find Las Chispas, which was a pretty significant discovery in the past couple of years. So this is very exciting. There's a lot of proven gold and silver discoveries in this area.
Well, it sounds like the right place and the right time. Erika, Riverside just released some news regarding new channel sampling and soil sampling results taken along several of the planned drill targets at the Los Cuarentas. What can you share with us?
Well, I'm actually really happy managing the project because we went out there, we did some trenches in very specific location, and we did some trenches. We're doing some channel as well, and the channel actually got back with 32.9 grams per ton over almost a meter, which is very exciting because this is included within a wider zone of 3.4 meter of 9.1 grams per ton gold. So those are very significant results. This is not the only one. There are multiple high-grade zone up to 21 grams per ton in the Santa Rosalia zone. So we're very, very excited about that. Then we also did a soil sampling campaign, and this soil sampling was very, very important because it happened to be between our two primary targets, two drilling targets that's coming up. And what we found out is that we actually have almost 1 gram per ton gold in our soil sampling, which is extremely high. And it just happened that we had this perfect continuity between our Santa Rosalia and Santa Rosalia Sur target, drilling target, And we can now, thanks to the soil sampling, merge into at least a 1.7 kilometer target, which is pretty amazing. And we totally look forward to the next drill program.
Now, Erika, I know you can't see me, but I'm smiling from ear to ear just like you are. All right, now that Riverside has demonstrated their proof of concept on the Los Cuarentas, what are the next steps and when will those next steps commence?
Well, actually, this is very important. As of next week, we're going to be drilling. And I totally look forward to that. We're going to start with the main target, Santa Rosalia. And we're going to drill areas where on surface we found 25 and 21 gram per ton. So this is very exciting. We're going to see the continuity at depth. So that's what you can expect and what investors can expect. It's going to be results from drilling, and it's also going to be results from trenches and more channel and more soil. So there's a lot going on, and it's going to be very exciting for the next few months.
Jean-Marc, we've heard Erika demonstrate the impressive results we're seeing at the Los Cuarentas. I believe you have some samples to show us.
Yes, I was out there in the field recently with Hochschild. We're so excited. Here we can see some of the silica and some of the zones of clay alteration. This typical of low sulfidation epithermal is fabulous. I was also out there at the Santa Rosalia Sur and saw some of the breccias. And the breccias that Erika and the team have been mapping are fabulous. And here you can see some of the class, the matrix. This is classic low sulfidation epithermal. Fabulous. Mexico has been a world leader in the production for silver and gold. And for us, having these type of textures in these veins is really exciting. So we're so much looking forward to the drill program and the following up results at the Santa Rosalia and Santa Rosalia Sur with the team out there.
Jean-Marc, leaving the Los Cuarentas, what are some of the catalysts that you see before us in Riverside Resources?
In addition to what we're doing at Cuarentas, it's really great. Erika is currently down there. We're moving forward with the Cecilia project, and we expect to have news flow from Cecilia. Daily, the teams are sending us photos of the mules working, the teams out there doing in the field. Myself, I just got back yesterday from work that we're doing in Ontario, Canada. For us, the work that we're doing there with Freeman Smith, going forward in Ontario, looking for large gold. Again, we'll have news flow, and it was so great. I was out on site, we're pecking away and finding visible gold right off the surface. So that was a lot of fun. So we'll be sharing some of those videos. I think the last thing for us is the success that's been happening for our fellows shareholders with the Capitan Mining. For us, we're so delighted. Capitan Mining, for us as shareholders of Riverside, and now with the go forward with these different catalysts, Cuarentas, Cecilia, and in Ontario, we're really set up for a wonderful next quarter with Riverside.
It's truly been a banner year this year for Riverside Resources. You know, we're talking about Hochschild right here at Los Cuarentas, Capitan Mining, a number of catalysts working for you there with Cecilia and throughout Canada, now in Ontario. It's truly exciting times for Riverside, and as a shareholder, I commend you for all the work you're doing. Let me ask you this. Can you walk us through the capital structure right now for Riverside?
Riverside has a very nice capital structure. We have fewer than 69 million shares out. We're tightly held with ourselves being large shareholders and more than 50% of that being institutions, largely from Europe. We're in a very good position. We also have a good cash position of over $3 million cash and, of course, no debt. So Riverside's in a very good capital position moving into the next year.
Jean-Marc, any parting words for current and prospective shareholders?
I'm so excited. Having a team with Erika, so many of our team out in the field in Mexico. This is one of the best times for Riverside looking forward. The gold market's here, we're able to operate, and we have multiple partners working on multiple targets. So for me, I'm holding my shares, buying more shares, and very excited about the potential. It's super bright. We want to put on the sunglasses.
Well, you know, I'm speaking as I'm the only shareholder in my household, and that is incorrect. My 10-year-old son, Bryce, has been a proud shareholder. He loved the spin-out from Capitan Mining, and he actually convinced his brothers to become shareholders as well, his twin brother, who is Braden, and my 11-year-old son, Carson. So, again, on behalf of all of us, thank you so much. Dr. Staude, for someone listening that wants to get more information on Riverside Resources, please share the contact details.
please come to our website. That's rivres.com, or give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you, engaging in a conversation about the virtues of Riverside Resources.
Dr. Staude, Mrs. Sweeney, thank you both for visiting us today and wishing you and Riverside Resources the absolute best.
The information presented on Proven and Probable is provided for educational and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information is not intended to be and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice, or any other advice. You should not make any financial, investment, or trading decision based on any of the information presented without first undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or competent financial advisor.